My career as an automotive improvement expert began when I modified my first car. Since then, as a car enthusiast and published author, my obsession with the automobile has led me to enhance tons of vehicles, both inside and out. That's why I'm thrilled to be a part of a brand new series designed to help keep your car looking great and your engine running like new. I'm Chris Duke, and welcome to eHow's Auto Center, brought to you by Mobile One.
Hey Chris, Doug back at you. I'm getting ready to do an oil change on my car, and I'm just wondering, with all the different viscosities there are in the oil out there nowadays, what would be the best one that I could put in my car to get optimum performance out of it?
Well, that's a great question, Doug. Now, oil viscosity, or weight as it's often referred to, is an important aspect that is often overlooked. First, to get a better understanding of why these ratings are important, let's take a look at just what is meant by the viscosity, or weight, of a motor oil. For motor oil, viscosity refers to how easily a motor oil pours and flows at a set temperature. A motor oil with a low viscosity will have a water or salad dressing oil-like consistency. An oil with a high viscosity rating will seem more like a honey or syrup. A low viscosity or thin oil is good for easier starts in a cold weather climate, while a high viscosity or thick oil is better for higher temperatures and maintaining proper oil pressure under loads. Multigrade oils compensate for seasonal temperature ranges, so now you can use the same multigrade oil all year long instead of switching to a higher weight in the summer like Grandpa had to. You'll notice oils with two numbers associated to them. The first number is a temperature reading, and the second is a viscosity rating. Viscosity refers to how easily an oil pours at a given temperature. The first part of the viscosity designation is an indication of the product's ability to help an engine crank and start, and for the engine to pump oil. The lower the number, the lower the temperature the product can be used at. The second part of the viscosity grade is related to the viscosity your engine sees at an operating temperature. In this case, a higher number is a higher viscosity grade and provides more viscous oil at operating temperatures than lower viscosity grade oil. One thing to remember about the viscosity grade is that a higher viscosity oil is not always best for your engine. Engine design, fuel economy, and power are all related to operating viscosity. Before you make a switch to a higher viscosity oil, be sure to consult your owner's manual on the right oil to use for your engine. Make sure you follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommended specifications for motor oil. The engineering in today's modern engines has allowed manufacturers to machine engine parts to much closer tolerances. Now, most modern cars use much lower viscosity oils than we used to. It's important to use the oil your OEM lists because that is what has been found to be the best oil for maintaining proper lubrication in your engine. Some of you may have vehicles that recommend synthetic oil, or you may be considering switching to synthetic. The same general rules apply as far as viscosity ratings, so pay attention and make sure you meet your vehicle specifications. Now, for older vehicles or high mileage vehicles, you can possibly go with a higher viscosity oil to help maintain higher oil pressure and help prevent heat wear as long as possible. If your car is burning oil or even leaking oil, you'll want to go with even higher viscosity oil. Your OEM may recommend a 10W30, but consider going to a 10W40 as the higher viscosity may help with these problems. Well, I hope that we've helped you understand what oil viscosity is and just how important it is to your engine. Making sure you use the correct viscosity motor oil will help keep your engine running like new and protect it for a long life. I hope this information makes it easier for you to decide what is best for your vehicle. For eHow's Auto Center, I'm Chris Duke. Here's to helping keep your car running like new.